Okay, so this is how you do it. Once you install Nord, either down here or up here, what you're going to do is you're going to go down to United States and click the dot 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 and do Quick Connect, because Quick Connect will connect you to the best one. Now, once you're there, then you're going to want to shut down whatever browser you're using first. Okay? So shut it down so that it starts again after you've started the VPN. And then you go to netflix.com. And then if it's working properly, then you should be going to the United States Netflix. So you can see it's taking a little while, which probably means that it's working, but not necessarily. And then what you're going to do is once you're there, you're going to go to Korra and see if it's there. Yep. There it is. But you see it's not available, so that means it didn't quite work. It went to the Canadian one instead. So oh no, it is right there. Okay, never mind. So, and then you're going to start playing. Yep, it works. Now, if it doesn't work, then all you should do is go back here, go back to United States, and do quick connect again. And basically redo this whole process every single time it doesn't work. Okay, bye bye.